import or read data from any files, from Excel file, or it may be from SAS file or text file, or it may be what, a stata file, whatever you want. How we can import, or read data. Look, if I have this txt data, this is txt data or text data. Here we have, this is SAS data, as well as this is stata data, and this is what, Excel data. Let's consider these 4 data types. Okay, now go to what, SPSS. To import data from into what, an SPSS, or to read data into an SPSS, just go to file, open, open, then what, open data. Then what, I have a file, just select where you have the folder of your data. For example, I have on desktop. So on desktop, again what, select file types, what kind of file I wanted to export or I wanted to read. For example, if I went to read what, Excel data, select what, Excel file, Excel. Here I have Excel file types. Then what, immediately SPSS laboratory Excel data is what, come to my desktop location. Then open it. If you have any sheet on Excel, you can select the sheet you desire. Okay, the sheet you desire, as well as what, the ranges, and the read variable name from the first row. Again, you can tick this or not, if you are not interested the name, as well as if you are interested the name. So then later, okay, immediately what, these Excel files are open into what, my SPSS, files. This is how to import or read a SPSS file into what, into Excel data into a SPSS. Again, similar for another types of data. Go to open, then data and desktop. Okay, file type I can change into what, stata data. Okay, then stata data immediately comes, or this is my data name actually that I have on desktop. Okay, so open it again. Let's open stata data, open here. Okay, another again, to open what, to open SAS data, go to open data, then select what, file type into what, SAS. Okay, immediately SAS data 7 bit are come to my SPSS. Then press open. Okay, immediately this is the data. Okay, he read this untitled 4. Okay, this is the data that I extracted from a SAS. Again what, untitled 3, this is data 2, or the data that I export from stata, as well as this is untitled 2, or dataset 1 is what, the data that I extracted from what, Excel. This is how to import data or read data into the SPSS. Thank you for watching us.